And here we are again. As you can see, I have a small ditch going in the center of, of the two fence things where I will be planting the spinach. Check it out. All right. So we're going to be putting one seed. So we're going to be planting one seed every 2 inches. So let's get straight to it. You pretty much put a seed every 2 inches, just like that. And then once we do the entire row, we're gonna take our shovel and use the surrounding dirt to cover them up. Then after that, we're gonna add some water, and that'll be it. So that's how you plant spinach. Very easy and simple. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you have any tips, drop them in the comment below, and see you on the next one. Hello, everybody. Today, we're gonna be planting lettuce. As you can see, I have already started my garden for this year. I already planted some tomatoes on this side, some peppers, then spinach, and now in this third row right here, I'll be planting some lettuce. Lettuce normally like temperatures that are not too hot. It's just the beginning of spring here where I am, so hopefully I'll get to harvest before the real weather comes, the real heat later on in the summertime. So I'm only planting one single row because I don't really eat a lot of lettuce except if I'm mixing it with some cucumbers and some tomatoes and spinach and making a salad, which this one single row will provide plenty. And lettuce, they do not like to be planted very deep. So the hole that I dug in the middle right here is about an inch deep. So, but I will pile it up like all the other ones. You can see like a little hill. So the way we plant lettuce is we will take one seed for every 2 inches of space. But personally, I add way more. I just sprinkle it along the line as I go. So let me show you how I do it. Here are the lettuce seeds. They're very tiny, black in color. So the way I do it, simple. I just sprinkle them on. There you go. So now that section is done right here. Got a little, I do it twice more, and that'll be it. Then I'll take my shovel and just cover them with the dirt I have on the side. Pack it down gently, and then take your hose and sprinkle it with some water. That's pretty much how I plant lettuce. Very easy and simple. So make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you got any questions, comments, drop them below, and see you in the next video.